Welcome to our security system showdown. Today, we're comparing two popular options in the home security market: the Firstrend 108OP wireless security system and the ZOSI H265 Plus full 108OP home security camera system. We'll dive into their features, ease of installation, and performance to help you make an informed decision. Let's get started. The Firstrend system utilizes wireless technology, allowing for easier installation and flexibility in camera placement. However, this can lead to connectivity issues if obstacles are present. On the other hand, the ZOSI system employs a wired connection, which ensures a stable and reliable video feed, making it a better choice for those who prioritize consistent performance over installation convenience. When it comes to pricing, the Firstrend system is priced at $209.99, which includes a 1 terabyte hard drive for immediate recording. In contrast, the ZOSI system is more budget-friendly at $129.99, but it does not include a hard drive, requiring an additional purchase. This makes the ZOSI a more appealing option for those looking to save on initial costs. The Firstrend system features basic motion detection, which may result in false alerts due to its lack of advanced filtering. In contrast, the ZOSI system boasts smart AI detection that can differentiate between human and vehicle movement, significantly reducing false alarms and enhancing overall security. This makes the ZOSI system a more intelligent choice for modern surveillance needs. In conclusion, both the Firstrend and ZOSI security systems have their unique strengths. The Firstrend offers ease of installation and included storage, while the ZOSI provides advanced features and a lower price point. Depending on your priorities, either system could be the right fit for your home. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.